Hey coin collectors! Today we're checking out the 1979 UK 1 penny. A classic British coin that's a favorite for collectors. This penny features Queen Elizabeth II on the front and the iconic portcullis design on the back. Made of bronze, it was part of the decimal coinage introduced in the 1970s. While it's not extremely rare, coins in perfect condition can be highly collectible. If your 1979 penny is in uncirculated or brilliant condition, it could fetch a few pounds from collectors today. It's a neat piece of UK history and perfect for any coin collection. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support our channel. Rare coins and lost antique. Stay tuned for more rare coin discoveries.